Hey, hi friend, this is Taposh and welcome to this video. So in this particular video, we will learn another productivity hacks in Microsoft Excel. So in this particular video, we will use table and the name range, and we will make a super productive person in our working place. So in a different video, I have already explained that what is the benefits of creating a table. Suppose you have some data set and why it is important to convert that data into a table. There are lots of benefits. So in this particular video, we will use name range and table, and we will see how we can make a super productive person in the working place. Okay, so suppose here are two kinds of data, like one is employee name, joining date, designation. These are the things are available, and another sheet, suppose the employee name is available and the department is available. Okay, so now what we will do, suppose we want to get the department by name. We here I think how many data are there here, 51 or 52 data are there, and here I have only 18 data are there, 80 per employees names are there. Okay, so I want to get everyone's department. Okay, so the simple thing here, we can use the VLOOKUP, XLOOKUP, or the index match, anything we can use. So for this particular video, I will use suppose VLOOKUP. Then if you don't know what is VLOOKUP, there is a separate video I have that is only for VLOOKUP, and XLOOKUP also separate, index match also separate videos are there, you can check it. So is equal VLOOKUP. Now the lookup value, what I am looking of. So this is the person I am looking of, comma. Now table array means the name or anything that what I am finding, where that name is, where that value is. So I am looking for Ramesh Kumar. So where that Ramesh Kumar is here, this table it is here. So I will select the range. Okay, now I will, if you want to absolute range, so you can press F4, so it will be lock. It is one of the best practice we can follow. Then comma. Now column index number, where is my result, in which column my result is. So my result, suppose department, so department is 1 2, column number 2, so I will mention 2, then comma. Then here it is asking true or false. For if I press 0, it is true. If I press 1, it is false. So I will take, I think 0 I will take, or I can write it for approximate match. I want the false I want, so I will say the exact match I want, so I will write false only. If it is true, approximate match, so for this particular video I need the exact match, so I will select false. It is 0, then I will press enter. So now the thing is, see, I will drop it, double click it. So see here all the details. So Ramesh Kumar is the finance, then Arjun Nayar finance. Okay, and there are few NA as well. So here is one quick bonus tips, that is if you want to ignore that NA part, you can use if error or if NA. How? I will go to before VLOOKUP, I will write if error tab, then I will go last, any customized message you can write, comma, open quotation, then I will write suppose left, or retired that person, or left, so I will write left. Okay, now I will close it. Now I will close parenthesis, press enter. So now I will again double click it. See, NA is not there. It is instead of NA, the left, that person is left, or that person is retired, that kind of any message based on your thing. I think you have got the concept. The same here, you can use if NA as well. You can use instead of if error, you can use if NA. So anyway, that is not our this video is not about that thing, so you can get it in a different video. I think you have got the idea. Now here the problem is, instead of this I can use a name range. of this particular table. It is not a table as well, but I can use a range. Okay, so I will first I will create the name of this section. Okay, so see how it works. I will select my data. Now here I can write it is calling h2. Okay, so what I will do is I can name it. I will say employee, no, I will say, okay, employee, then I will say department, anything, any name I can provide, DEPT. Okay, employee department. Now press enter. So now I have given a name of this cell name. I have given a name of this column and on this range. Okay, so now here I will go, and instead of that, what I can do is I will not select this thing. I will just, instead of lookup, okay, let me remove the entire thing so that you can understand. I will remove everything, and now what I will do is I will go here again. I will add VLOOKUP. Lookup value is this, and now it is asking table array, the thing that is I am looking for, where that person is, or where that value is, where I will get it. So I need to provide that array, that table or that format I need to provide. So what I will do is, instead of selecting this thing, the previous communication we selected it, instead of that, what I will do is I will write e. Now see here, I created one for this particular column and rows. I created one name, that is E department, right? So I will select this, tab, then comma. Now where is my result? My result is in the I column, so it is 2 1 2. So I will select 2, then I will select 0 for exact match. I will press enter. So now here it is. Now I will double click it. So now NA is coming. It is okay. As of now, you know how to ignore the anything. You can customize it again. Okay, that's great. So here I have got it. Instead of the section range, instead of table array, I have used the name. Okay, E department. Now here you can see, for me my name is there, Tapos. It is also coming NA. Okay, so now here is one problem. The problem is, suppose here, as my name is not mentioned here, so that's why it is coming NA only. Okay, great. Now what I can do is, suppose here I am writing my name Tapos, and I think I will write Fin IT. I will write. Okay, now I will box it like this. So here I have added my name, but again I will refresh it, the formula. See here again my name, it is coming NA only, because this details is not fetching here. This details is not fetching here. Okay, likewise, if I add another 10 15 20 100, another row, another details, if I add, so it will not come automatically. Okay, so the better idea is I need to convert this details as a table. So what I will do, suppose let me delete my name first. I will delete it, and now I want to convert it into a table. So shortcut we can use, otherwise inside home also format as table, that option is there. So suppose I think I will select this, range automatically taken. So okay, so now it has been converted into a table. Okay, now here I will provide the table name. So here table 4 by default it has taken, so I will edit it. I will edit department underscore, don't keep a space, then it will not take the details. Department space EMP, employee. Okay, press enter, done. Now what I will do is I will go here again, I will delete the formula. I will equal VLOOKUP. Lookup value is what? Lookup value is this. Okay, comma, table array. Table array means instead of selecting this range, I have already given a name of this table, right? So now I will select that table. So I will say department, DPT. See, here it has come, department employee, that is what we have created. Tab, comma, where is my result? My result is in the I section, so it is 1 2. So I will select, I will write 2. Now I need the exact match, 0. I will press enter. So see here, now I will drag it. So now see here also my name is coming like Tapos. It is NA is coming, right? Because here my name is not there. So what I will do is, now I will write my name and I will say IT. Now check, Tapos IT, automatically it has updated. Again, suppose I will write another person's name. If suppose where it is NA, let me check, Varun Sharma, right? So let me copy this name, Varun Sharma. So I will again paste it and I will say finance, NNC finance, enter. So now see, Varun Sharma, it was NA, right? So now it is finance only, it is updated. Okay, so like this way, if I add another 100, another 200, another 500 details, so it will come automatically. So it is a better idea, to convert any details, to convert any templates, to convert that any details into a table. So automatically it will come to your formula, it will come to your result, and the range name should be there, because it is quite readable, like correct. Suppose instead of this range, I am selecting this range, it will come like H2 to like I30, like that kind of things will come. So instead of that, if I provide a specific name of that table, suppose here you can write employee table, you can write any other table based on your convenience. If you create a table and then if you provide a name, and within that name if you create any formula like VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index match, any other if function or anything you can write, so it is quite readable and professional. Okay, so now I think you have got the idea, the importance of creating a table and importance of creating a name range. So if you combine these both things, it's like a magic. Okay, so you can it will look like professional reporting and all these things. Okay, so I think you have got the idea how we can create a table, what is the importance of creating a table, how we can create a name range, and what is the importance of our name range. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video. We will meet in the next video. Thank you.